So guys, so today is another day of our challenge. I'm gonna try to make it like simple as well. So I think like 3 products I get them, like the nail keyboard, the Huawei Revolt. I'm gonna try searching for it in my local market, and the fishing sunglasses. That's gonna be my 3 products which I'm going to promote. And not gonna lie guys, so my main problem, the main issue why I create this channel is actually because I'm getting nervous while I'm trying new products. So it will be like more than amazing if I just like start